Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to fix YouTube Vanced not working on your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your settings. Sorry, I'm just gonna go back. And now once you've clicked on settings, you want to click on general and iPhone storage. Now just need to wait and click on YouTube app. You can just go ahead and offload the app and just go ahead and reinstall it again. And if that doesn't work, just go ahead and delete the app and reinstall it again. Okay, so let's say that doesn't work again. What you can do is to open your YouTube app, click on your profile photo at the upper right corner of your screen, click on help and feedback, and click on send feedback. So now just go ahead and compose your message. Just want to type, my YouTube account is not working properly. So just go ahead and type, my YouTube account is not working properly. Please help me to fix it. Thank you. Then just go ahead and send that email, and you just need to wait for the response of YouTube, and that should help you with your problem. That's how you fix YouTube Vanced not working. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.